Back on the market after financing fell through, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is turnkey ready and was built by the award-winning DSLD builders. This open concept home boasts dark wood floors, detailed trim work and plenty of natural light. The oversized kitchen flows with a modern theme with stainless steel 5-burner stove, quartz countertops, built-in pantry and plenty of cabinetry for all your storage needs. The laundry area is offset from the kitchen and leads you to the garage. The bedrooms apart from the master are fully carpeted and painted in a soft grey colour palette. The hallway bathroom continues with quartz countertops and cool beige tiled flooring. The master bedroom in the back of the home is a massive size and fully carpeted and has its own ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom with double vanity sinks, quartz countertops, separate non-jetted tub, apart from the standalone shower with seating area, all fixtures are in a rubbed oil bronze finish. And a master oversized closet is located in the master bathroom as well. The backyard backs onto a large wooded area. The yard itself is large enough for a small swimming pool and is fully sodded with mature grass. 39261 Superior Avenue in Gonzales is located in the new DSLD development of Woodland Manor and is ready for your private showing today. Why?